Greetings, folks. Waddle from Waddle here to talk about something that has come to my attention, and that is a petition to the SAG. The SAG, by the way, is the Screen Actors Guild, and the petition is for voice actors. Voice actors. Of course voice actors. Because without voice actors... See what I mean? In all seriousness, a voice actor does a lot of effort to bring a character to life. They don't just talk into a microphone, they perform. They create a personality with emotions and feelings, all while standing in the shadows and letting the character shine. That's why I think it's about time we give them the credit they deserve. This petition was started by fellow artist Daniel King, and on his site he has a list of over 50 suggestions of voice actors past and present, including my personal favorite, June Foray. You gotta have June on this list. Check the site out, the link will be below, and follow him on Twitter for more information. Tell him you want to join this petition. And don't forget to hashtag it with VoiceOver Hall of Fame. We'd also like to give a Lifetime Achievement Award to Andrea Romano, a legendary voice director. As a cartoon character, I think it is important to speak up for these actors who have spoken for us all these years. This is Waddle from Waddle. Thanks for watching.